Zayden. We'll go touch some trucks. Come here. Go say hello. Can you say hello? No. Look, Zayden.
Look at the big truck.
Truck. I'm gonna look at the big semi truck or the ATVs over here. Wanna go give mommy a hug? Go hug mommy. Sorry. What's that, mommy? Do you not want your hat?
You gonna go see him?
Here, Zayden. Hat.
Go say hi with Kayla.
High five.
You wanna go? Go.
I'm gonna go see some trucks, Zayden. Uh-oh.
What? You wanna go on there? Wanna take a picture? Take a picture? Oh, I don't think you're gonna. Hey. You have to show Ray more Ray.
Do you want to sit in one of the ATVs so I can get your picture, Sayu?
Sure. Do you want a picture, Henry?
I need to put you down, Zayden. Walk.
Well, what am I supposed to do with this stuff?
You want to get up there with Mom? You go vroom vroom.
Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep.